Do you enjoy cooking? Do you like learning and experimenting with new recipes? Then the Culinary Arts program gives you the hands-on experience you are looking for. Students learn how to operate a full-service cafe, which is open to the public. Students will master all commercial kitchen equipment, learn to bake and cook from scratch, menu planning, cost control, and nutrition. Additionally, students can earn certifications in CPR First Aid, Fire Safety, and Serve Safe Manager. There are lab field trips to Jungle Jim's International Market, Young's Jersey Dairy Farm, and on-site visits to local farmers, restaurants, and food stores to gain industry experience. Students in the program can earn college credits through Sinclair Community College and compete in FCCLA contests. Additionally, there are professional chefs and college representatives that visit and do demonstrations for the lab. If you are competitive, you will like participating in the Cooking and Baking Wars in class.